This is a quick tutorial on showing you how to fix the issue where your monitor is shutting off too quick or shutting off and forcing you to log back in every single time that the computer goes to sleep or the screen goes into like a screensaver type mode. So basically, once you're signed into your computer from your desktop, you can go down to the search bar down here and you can type in the word power settings, and you'll see it might take some time for the list options to populate, but you want to see this one here that says power and sleep settings. If you don't see that, just erase like a letter or two and type it in again and it should show up. So once you're in there, click on that, and you want to change your screen and your sleep settings to better be of use. If you're the type of person that shuts off your computer overnight, you could go down and scroll down to never, and you just shut down your computer at night. This way your computer will never go into like a sleep mode or a screensaver mode. It'll just be on your desktop until you already shut the computer off for the day. If you're the type of person that might leave your computer on overnight and you just want to have an extended range, you could choose by a couple hours, so that after 4 hours of use or 3 hours of use, your computer will eventually go into a sleep mode, and then you'll just have to tap the keys to turn it back on in the morning. I know that some computers, some monitors basically won't respond to the wake, so when you tap the keys, they might not respond. I haven't found a solution to this yet outside of shutting the computer down all the way physically by holding down the power button on the actual desktop computer, not the monitor, but the actual computer itself. So basically, when you want to switch it to something that's going to suit your needs better, and just close out, and it'll help save the settings. And that should take care of your issues regarding the screen logging out.